Namaste. I am Antonia and I will take you through Yogea Asana Lab and break down a favorite pose for you, Heron pose. Let's get on it. So turn profile, so face the top of your mat, fold your right knee in, bring your right butt cheek off the floor, and then with your right hand, place it down as you press into your hip flexor. So just do this a couple of times and see how it feels. Once you anchor through both sit bones, bring the right heel slightly in, extend your left leg out. Turn the foot and rock it back and forth, side to side. Roll the foot out. Once you're here, start to lift up, drop the tailbone down, bring the knee in, and make some room for your butt cheek, lifting the left sit bone off the floor, and then drop both sit bones and feel. You're gonna likely tip a little bit, so we want to find that length. Once we're here, we're tipping back, bending the left knee, so we have more room to actually grab onto the left foot. And then either hold your thigh, extending the leg. This is half of the pose, right? Keep the sitting bones anchored. Lift your chest. Start to walk your hands to your sole. And once you're there, start to exhale into your knee, bringing your thigh to your chest, keeping your spine erect. So you don't want to contract here, you want to lift, 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 and keep on going, walking your hand, getting that hamstring. Whoa, it's so deep. Finding that, breathing in and out until you find that moment where, whoa, you want to come down, and great job. This is your Heron pose. Don't forget about the sit bones. Open through your collarbones. Try not to overstretch the leg. And there you are. Try it on the other side. Thanks for immersing yourself in Asana Lab. You're doing great. Just keep up the practice. See you soon.